getting most of your roots,
Okay.
and it goes back to cast. It's like this, and we could line it, you know what I mean? But it's gonna be pretty ugly, you know what I mean? It's gonna be all because the liner's too big for it right now, you know what I mean? And if we use a smaller liner, it would stretch, but then it would be all bumpy, you know. So it wouldn't be the end of the world, and I could quote you to do both ways, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so we'll put some numbers together, but like, see, like that thing, that's not gonna just come off easy.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So that's like stuff that you got to kind of deal with, you know.
It's a 4-inch pipe with imperfections.
Lots of scale. The bigger thing that, like, you know, and we'll see it. You know, I don't know if lining is what you want to do anyways, man. You know, it's just like there's those two bellies. Did you see those? Like spots that are full of water. That guy didn't talk to you about that at all.
He didn't mention them, no.
So check it out. So this is your pipe is about to go underwater. We're not running much water. You might be running a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
But watch how bad this is. So we're fully underwater.
So there's just low spots, or it's not flowing?
Right. So it just goes. Do I got my marker still? I do. So you got, and there's two of these. It goes like this. You know what I mean? Your sewer's supposed to be going like this.
Yep.
But your sewer goes like this.
Okay.
For whatever reason.
Yep.
So we're gonna have to push stuff out of there. There's probably debris that's just sitting there, especially if we clean it beforehand.
Yep.
We'd have to use a jetter to do that.
Okay. And a jetter would, I mean, our big thing is we're not going to live here forever. But what is there like a 20 years from now we don't want to have to sell the house and say, oh, by the way, the sewer line's bad.
Well, so I mean, there's roots right there. You know what I mean? So like jetting it. I mean, no matter what. So here's the thing, like the liner's going to take the same shape of the current pipe. You know what I mean? So let's look at this other one right here too. So here's another one.
Okay, so could the backup be from that dip, or is it?
It could be, but it's probably root related. But yeah, I mean, like, see, like we'd have to get in there. I mean, there's just a ton of stuff hanging out there.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So I mean, your sewer liner is going to be the same way. So you're going to have that dip. Mm-hmm. Now we've lined bellies before, if that's what people want to do. You know, you know. So now here's our clay pipe. You're going to see all the roots in it. You know. Yeah. We've definitely lined bellies before, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. But, you know, those are typically in situations where it's like under a driveway, you know, and it looks like somebody located and put those flags next to the driveway, right?
Yeah, but then it was so close, it was, you know, it's
they
like,
want to take the driveway anyway?
Yeah, so then it was like, oh. But yeah, I think it's like 8 inches off the driveway.
Yeah. So let's just finish making this here, and then we'll talk more about what, you know, so I mean, lots of roots in the clay. And, you know, when I first started looking at it, I was like, oh, it's cast, probably not PD scale, but then we came to the clay, and the cast up here towards the house isn't that bad. Mm-hmm. You know, like this is actually cast now here, you know, to where I'd be worried about it with the bellies, and then the cast at the street, we definitely have to do something with it. You know what I mean? We'd have to get in there and descale it. Mm-hmm. You know, and actually, like, it doesn't seem like any other water ties in after this, so we'd probably just start our liner way in here, you know, or we right here, and then we'd line from here. Oh, maybe there's one thing. We'll clean it.
I don't think there would be, but I
yeah, no, I wouldn't think so either from the way it looks like it's laid out, but sucks a lot when you call us back in a week and you're like, my kitchen sink won't drain, and it's like plugged, you know what I mean, like a liner's covering it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's old enough.